I'm Michael from Riverbend Building Supplies. We established this company 15 years ago with my son Tim, and we build homes and we do prefab wall panels and floor trusses.
Well, something that I've learned from my dad is, there's going to be people that'll doubt, and there's going to be times where you figure you can't do it, you won't make it, but if you have the passion for something, like anything is possible. I was always looking for better ways to do things, speed up the process, make things easier on our guys, put out a better product. That's what drives me to look to invest in technology. And like with a custom automated line like we have, there's a lot of custom parts to it and new programming that needs to be written. I met Eagle Metal at a trade show. I seen their software. We did a demo. We were impressed. So I reached out to them if they would be able to supply me the software. There was a lot of back and forth initially to get our line up and running, and throughout the whole process, I was always impressed with the quick turnarounds and the service that they provided.
The training and the way they supported us and the way they were willing to work with Tim on the prefab side of things and changing their design to make it work with us, I feel like it's been a great success for our business.
You prefab panels all day in a shop, it kind of seems like you're doing the same thing over and over and over again, but where I get the drive, and a lot of my employees too, is when we just go take a site visit, we see our panels getting erected, we see the buildings going up, the great product. That's what motivates us and the guys to come back the next day and just pump out some more panels.
There's a close connection between father and son, learning the trade, and this is what we're meant to do, is teach our children. And I also feel very close to my son, and having him around me and teaching him the way of building. That's what my grandfather did, my dad did, and I just want to pass that on.